Hey everyone, Allison Berger here, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I get rid of acne scars. So if you want to find out how I do this, keep on watching. So acne scarring and dark spots is something that I have dealt with for a really long time, and I think I finally found the holy grail of products to resolve this for me, and it's Murad's InvisiScar Resurfacing Treatment. I've been using this for quite some time now, and especially with maskne going on, it's been super helpful. I always seem to break out around my chin, which happens to be hormonal. But I have been using this for a while now, and if you look, it's really made a difference, especially in this area. I'm still working in this region because you see I'm still breaking out a little bit. But what's great about this product is what you do is you can use it morning and night, but it does contain salicylic acid, which can be very drying, especially during these winter months. So you maybe want to ease into using it and maybe just use it at night just to start off to make sure your skin reacts properly to it. So when it comes out, it's this velvety white serum cream, and you want to put it on the area that you're having issues, and you rub it in, and because it has this velvety smooth effect to it, it kind of blurs the appearance of the scarring, which is what you want. And if you continue to use it, it really does help remove or help get clear skin and get rid of that hyperpigmentation or any dark spots, acne scars, whatever you may have. So with the salicylic acid, it is also hopefully helping you prevent further acne from happening, but I mean, so is life, it happens. It also contains vitamin C, which I think is another really important part to your process of removing acne scars. I've been using right now Elizabeth Arden's vitamin C capsules. I have another video that you can watch that tells you how to use these. I think what's great about these is that it gives you the exact amount you should use, because sometimes when you're using a pump, it's like, okay, how much do I use this time? But this gives you the exact amount you should be using. And I always like to, press it into my skin, make sure you get on your neck too. And it's a great way to continue the process of trying to remove acne scars. I probably should have said this before, but exfoliating is also really important. So whatever type of exfoliant that you're currently using, I would definitely continue to use that at least once a week. And then I also really like to follow Bobbi Brown's Vitamin Rich Face Base. So this has vitamins in it, which is also great. It's like your daily dose of vitamins for your skin. So it's not just you taking vitamins, you're putting vitamins into your face. So I really like this creamy formula. And when you take it out, it may seem like it's thick, but it's the perfect amount because it's a moisturizer and primer in one. And today I'm gonna put this on for you now, because why not? And this is a great way to start your day and the perfect base for your makeup or whatever you're going to continue with. I love how it smells too. It's really nice, and you just feel refreshed. I already feel so much more awake all of a sudden. I really like this, and always, take care of that neck of yours too. And I always wipe the rest of it on my hands. But I really have been enjoying all of these products, and I highly recommend, if you are struggling with acne scarring, this Murad InvisiScar is a great item, and I have it now available in my Macy's storefront. So if you want to try this out, please purchase it through my Macy's storefront because it helps me out and I get a little commission from it and helps me to continue to create videos like this where we're continuing to glow from the inside out. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun-sized.